Imagine this, a cosmic collision so monumental that it birthed the moon. Yes, you heard that right. The moon, our celestial companion, was created through a dramatic event that forever changed the course of our planet's history. Billions of years ago, when our young Earth was still in its infancy, a Mars-sized object known as Theia collided with our planet. The impact was cataclysmic, sending debris hurtling into space. This debris eventually coalesced to form what we now know as the moon. But the story doesn't end there. The moon played a crucial role in shaping Earth as we know it today. Its gravitational pull influenced our planet's tides, creating the ebb and flow of the oceans. The moon also helped stabilize Earth's axial tilt, providing a stable climate that allowed life to thrive. As we gaze up at the night sky, the moon stands as a silent witness to this ancient cosmic collision. Its cratered surface tells the story of a violent birth, a reminder of the incredible forces at play in our solar system. So next time you look up at the moon, remember that it is not just a beautiful sight in the night sky. It is a testament to the violent and awe-inspiring origins of our cosmic neighborhood. The moon, born from chaos, now shines serenely above us, a constant reminder of the wonders of the universe.